Airsoft GI would like to thank our sponsors.
Hey, what's up GI TV? My name is Tim and we are here in one of our many gun aisles here in the warehouse. And with me is the Echo One SOF1. This is essentially a FAL, a short tactical FAL. And this thing is really cool. It has a full metal construction. The inner barrel or the outer barrel, both barrels I guess, are 10.5 inches long, so it's nice and compact. This gun features a folding stock that's great for transportation, but I suppose since it's an airsoft gun, you can also use this thing with the stock folded to the side and make yourself even more compact. This gun is very usable on the field, in my opinion. The railed front handguard gives you the ability to mount accessories. You do need to use one of the rails to have the included PEC box, which houses the battery. This gun is wired to the front. This has a very long upper rail that's pretty much continuous, so you can mount optics anywhere on here. And I have to say that I like the fact that the upper rail is actually on a different level than the top of the stock. So if you have optics on here, using this gun with a full face mask is going to be much easier, as opposed to an M4 where the buffer tube is pretty much on the same level as the upper rail. But with this gun, it's a little bit more airsoft friendly for those of us that like to use full face masks that don't want to get shot in the teeth. Now, I've mentioned that the external construction of this thing is pretty much all metal. We have our fire selector over here. This gun's not real left-handy friendly. Sorry, there aren't any ambidextrous features on here. This little hole right here is actually our magazine release, and the lever that's right next to it is actually the release for our bolt catch. And I have to say, this is one of the most awesome sounding bolt releases available in the airsoft market. Because the spring is so heavy, you get a very satisfying clack once you release the bolt. Internally, this gun features a version 3 full metal gearbox. This thing shoots between 380 and 400 FPS with a .20 gram BB, and it comes with 2 of these 550 round high capacity magazines. So when you buy this gun, you get an awesome gun, you get 2 magazines with over 1,000 rounds of capacity between the both of them, and a battery and charger. So pretty much once you buy this thing, you're ready to get out in the field and start laying waste to your enemy. You can find this thing on Airsoft GI for sale for $280. That's not a bad price considering you get a full metal gun with a full metal gearbox, version 3 gearbox by the way, and 2 magazines and a battery and charger. Check this thing out on Airsoft GI. If I had to find one gripe about it, it's just the fact that because the battery's mounted to the front, if you don't have a light poly battery, you're going to be weighing the front end of the gun down. The gun doesn't weigh a whole lot anyway, so it's not going to be a huge difference, but that is something you're going to want to be aware of if you're interested in the Echo One SOF1.
Airsoft GI would like to thank our sponsors.